This is our last day in El Chalten before we head down towards El Calafate for Perito Moreno Glacier. And again, we've been so lucky with the light. Look what is just happening behind us right now. It is just incredible. I've got the 24-70 lens out after my 15-30 is broken, and I'm just getting tighter shots, but they're still quite good. Mr. Ed Rhodes, how are you, mate? Got Jeff over there, and the others are behind the back of me. Just look at that light that is going on now, it's just insane. Absolutely incredible. With all these icebergs in the front. This is our last lunch box, or box lunch as they call it here, from a beautiful viewpoint in El Chalten. We are making our way back down to town now. We'll be there in about an hour. And from there we're going to travel to Perito Moreno for our last day in Patagonia. Cerro Fitzroy. That'll be the last time that we see that until next year. Just watch Federico eat his sandwich. Enjoying mate with Valeria.
Mate and banana.
Yes.
My favorite.
Perfect. We're gonna miss you guys.
It's been a pleasure. Thank
you very much. What do you got to say for yourself? Nothing? We've just come back down to El Chalten town, and we smell and we're stinky. 4 days camping, had an amazing experience. We're going to say goodbye to Valeria now. She's been an amazing mountain guide.
Bye, Valeria.
Thank you so much.
Guys, thank you.
Now down to
Do you need anything from the bus?
Perito Moreno.
I just need to know.
Here's our bus ready to go for Perito Moreno.
To take some pictures, to use the restrooms, if you want to have a coffee, and we go. Okay, so more or less the trip is going to be 3 hours. More or less, it's 220 kilometers. On this map, you can see the trip that we are going to do. We are here in Chalten right now, so we go first, following the lake.
I want to take my shoes off.
We've been walking here. Then we go south along the road number 40. We are going to cross first the Rio La Leona River that is flowing from Vietnam to Lago Argentino. So all the water from here
Bye-bye, Fitzroy.
flows to the Atlantic Ocean along. This is a secret Patagonian space station.